Fine. Aggressive display of dominance directed at the device is letting it know who is in charge. The confidence is staggering. Mission accomplished. The device has been neutralized through the power of pure, unadulterated funk. And the operation is live. Witness the human conveyor belt and thereof the human tracing machine interface protocol is now active. Observe the flawless synchronized paddy passing precision. It's a high-stakes relay race where the baton is right plain meta. The stakes are sudden and dramatic shutdown of the entire operation. The key player, the feeder, facing the defending maw of the beast, a true picture of